We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the Tesla Coil Musical Speaker Plasma Storm by Alkista. If you already own this product, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Let's dive into what users are saying about this intriguing device. The Tesla Coil Musical Speaker is a compact gadget with impressive capabilities, measuring just 4.2 by 4.2 by 2.35 inches. Despite its small size, it packs a punch in terms of energy output and functionality. Many users were quick to point out how it serves as both an educational tool and an entertaining desktop accessory. It's worth noting that this device is specifically designed for square wave music playback, which might be a new concept for some. Thankfully, the included manual provides clear instructions on how to find or create square wave music, ensuring an easy setup process even for beginners. One of the standout features of this Tesla Coil is its ability to improve sound quality compared to similar models. Users appreciated the enhanced music experience it offers, although some mentioned that the sound can be quite loud. To avoid startling noises, it's recommended to turn both knobs fully counterclockwise before powering on and gradually increase the volume. This thoughtful design helps prevent jarring arc sounds and ensures a smoother operation overall. The Tesla Coil also doubles as a conversation starter thanks to its mesmerizing visual effects. When powered on, it produces artificial lightning and illuminates gaseous tubes, creating a captivating display that leaves viewers in awe. Several reviewers mentioned how this feature made it a hit at gatherings, sparking curiosity and lively discussions among guests. However, there are some limitations to keep in mind. While the lighting effects are impressive during music playback, they aren't as sustained in normal mode. A few users noted that the visuals didn't quite match the promotional videos for the product, which led to tempered expectations. Additionally, the loudness of the device was a recurring theme in reviews. While some found it thrilling, others felt it was too noisy for certain environments, especially when used as a gift for younger family members. One user humorously described feeling like the bad uncle after gifting it to their nephew due to its volume levels. On the flip side, many reviewers appreciated its educational value, particularly for sparking an interest in science among students and young learners. It's an excellent tool for demonstrating physical principles in an engaging way, making it a popular choice among educators and parents alike. The build quality of this Tesla Coil also received praise from users who felt it offered good value for its price point of around $50. Its compact design makes it easy to place on any desktop or shelf without taking up too much space, while its durable construction ensures longevity with proper care. In terms of usability, most users found the setup process straightforward thanks to the detailed manual included in the package. The circuit protection design was another appreciated feature, as it safeguards input devices from potential damage during use. However, there were some minor complaints about the music feature requiring specific types of songs to avoid interference issues. While Alkista provides a small list of compatible tracks and instructions on creating square wave music, this might be an extra step for those unfamiliar with audio editing tools or formats. Overall, the Tesla Coil Musical Speaker Plasma Storm is a unique gadget that combines science education with entertainment value. It's perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of excitement to their workspace or inspire curiosity in young minds. While its loudness and specific music requirements may not suit everyone's preferences, its captivating visuals and multifunctionality make it a worthwhile investment for many users. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to learn more about this product and support our channel by using it if you decide to make a purchase.